Okay guys, welcome to beautiful Koh Chang. We're at a small marina here on the east side of the island. It's chained off. There's people over there. Be a cool place to have a house, wouldn't it? Don't see anybody. There's a person on the boat. We'll see what happens. Might end up in jail before the day's over. There's no sign. Probably very nice at one stage. Not so nice right now. Engine looks brand new. 90. Oh, that one's got a 90. This one's got a 200. There's my kind of speed right there. That's a big motor too. There's another one right there. And these floating docks are really nice. She's a beauty. Can't see the horsepower. Can't tell. Something else, don't you? Nice little sailboat. That one over there's got a 115 on her. But this one, the number ends in a 0. Can't tell what it is. 100 plus horsepower. Maybe it's a 150. A lot of power on an inflatable boat. It's only a small marina and there's plenty of room for more. Somebody's been snorkeling. Beautiful boat. It's a nice one over there too. She got flowers on the top deck. Don't think they're real, but still pretty cool. This is more my style. If I can't have speed, I may as well have cool. It's a nice boat. Old though. She's got some years on her. They're building something up there on the mountain. Gonna be big, whatever it is. It's a rather small marina, but pretty cool boats. Old boats, surprisingly old. Cool place. Nonetheless, if there's boats, gonna be cool. It's just how it works. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. One last look at paradise. It is amazing here. The police are not here yet. Better get going.